Students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now today discuss about topic is permutations, concept, permutations of dissimilar things. All are level 2 problems. Now first one, the number of integers greater than 6000 that can be formed using the digits 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 without repetition is. Now we are given digits are 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 5 digits are given. Greater than 6000 means 1000 numbers and 10,000 numbers according to 5 digits. Now first 1000 numbers means all are 4 digit numbers. 10,000 means all are 5 digit numbers. First the number of 4 digit numbers greater than 6000. Now you take 4 places. Now first place can be filled with greater than 6000 means now first place can be filled with 6 or 7 or 8. 6 or 7 or 8. Now first place can be filled with 3 ways. Suppose first place can be filled with 6 means remaining 4 digits is there. Now next place can be filled with 4 ways. Now repetition, without a repetition means repetition is not allowed. Next third place can be filled with 3 ways. Next place can be filled with 2 ways. Now 3 into 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 72 ways. Next the number of 5 digit numbers greater than 6000. Now you take 5 places. Now here first place can be filled with, now 10,000 means now you take any digits 3, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Now first place can be filled with 5 possibilities is there. Next without repetition, now second place can be filled with 4 ways. Third place 3, 2, 1. Now 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 5 factorial is equal to 120. 5 factorial is equal to 120. Therefore, the number of numbers greater than 6000. Therefore, the required number of numbers greater than 6000 is equal to now 72 plus 120 is equal to 192. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Next one, the letters of the word random are arranged in all possible ways. The number of arrangements in which there are 2 letters between R and D. Now given word is random. Now given word contains 6 letters is there. Now 2 letters between R and D. Now according to condition 2 letters between R and D. Okay. Now total this one take a 1 unit. Consider as a 1 unit. 1 unit plus. Now here 4 letters, remaining 2 letters is there. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 factorial. Next, between R and D or D and R. R and D, between two letters between R and D or D and R. This one two ways. This one two ways. Now two places can be filled with remaining four digits, four letters. Now two places can be filled with remaining four letters, 4p2. Now 2 into 4p2 into, now here 3 factorial. Therefore, required arrangements is equal to 2 into 4p2 into 3 factorial. Now 2 into 4p2, 4 into 3, 12 into 3 factorial 6. Now 12 into 12 is equal to 144 ways. Now option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the next one. The number of ways permitting the letters of the word devil show that neither D is first letter nor L is the last letter is. Now given word devil. Now given word contains 5 letters are given. First now total arrangements with the letters of the word devil. Total arrangements with the letters of the word devil. Now here total 5 letters is there. 5 letters can be arranged in 5 places. 5p5 is equal to 5 factorial ways is equal to 120 ways. Next one, the number of arrangements starting with D. The number of arrangements starting with D. Now starting with D means remaining 4 places is there. Now remaining 4 letters is there. Now here 4 places can be filled with the remaining 4 letters. 4p4 is equal to 4 factorial ways. Next, the number of arrangements ending with L. Now ending with L means, now here also 4 places is there. 4 places can be filled with remaining 4 letters, 4 factorial ways. Now 4 factorial is equal to 24, and here also 4 factorial is equal to 24. Now starting with D and ending with L. Now starting with D and also ending with L. Now here 3 places is there. Now 3 places can be filled with remaining 3 letters. 3 factorial ways is equal to 6 ways. Therefore, required number of arrangements is equal to required number of arrangements is equal to 120 minus 24 plus 24 minus 6. Now 126 minus 48 is equal to 78. Now option 4 is the correct one. Next one, the number of numbers lying between 10 and thousands that can be formed with 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 show that no digit being repeated in any number. Now no digit being repeated means repetition is not allowed. Now your given digits are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now between 10 to 1000 means now 2 digit numbers and 3 digit numbers. Now case 1. Now you take 2 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers means first place can be filled with except 0. Now remaining 5 digits is there. First place can be filled with 5 ways. Now second place can be filled with including 0. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 ways. Now case 2. Now 3-digit numbers. Now 3-digit numbers means now first place can be filled with without 0. Now first place can be filled with 5 possibilities, 5 ways. Now second place can be filled with including 0 and here also 5 ways. Third place can be filled with repetition is not allowed, 4 ways. Now 100 ways. Therefore, the required number of numbers between 10 and 100 or 25 plus 100 is equal to 125. Now second one is the correct one. Next one, the number of 4-digit even numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 when repetition is not allowed. Now your given digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4-digit even numbers means now unit place can be filled with 0 or 2 or 4. Now 3 cases is there. Now case 1. Now 4-digit means now you take 4 places. Now unit place can be filled with 0. Unit place can be filled with 0 means remaining 4 digits is there. Now 3 places is there. Now 3 places can be filled with remaining 4 digits. 4p3. Now we have 4 possibilities. Now second place 3. Now third place 2 is equal to 4p3. 4p3 is equal to 24. Next to case 2. Now unit place can be filled with 2. Now 2 means remaining 3 places is there. Now first place except 0. Now 0, 2. 0, 2 means remaining 3 places is there. Now first place can be filled with 3 ways. First place can be filled with 3 ways. Next second place can be filled with including 0. Now 3 ways. Third place can be filled with repetition is not allowed, 2 ways. Now here 3 into 3 into 2 is equal to 18. Next case 3. Last unit place can be filled with 4. Remaining 3 places is there. First place except 0. First place can be filled with 3. Now second place can be filled with including 0. Here also 3. Now third place can be filled with 2. Now 3 into 3 into 2 is equal to 18. Therefore, the required number of 4-digit even numbers, required number of 4-digit even numbers is equal to 24 plus 18 plus 18. Now is equal to 60. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the number of ways arranging 8 JEE main question papers show that best and worst never come together. Best and worst never come together means total minus best and worst come together. Now first best paper, best and worst come together. Best and worst paper come together. Now best paper and worst paper come together means treat a 1 unit. Now 2 papers treat a 1 unit. Remaining now total 8 papers is there. Now 2 papers treat a 1 unit. Best paper and worst paper treat a 1 unit. Remaining now 6 papers is there. Now 6 papers plus 1 unit of this one. can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. And 2 papers can be arranged themselves 2 factorial ways. Now 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Now required arrangements. Now required arrangements is equal to total minus best and worst come together. Total minus best and worst come together. Now total means 8 papers can be arranged 8 factorial. 8 factorial minus 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Now 8 factorial, here also 7 factorial. 8 factorial can be write 7 factorial into 8. Now 7 factorial is common. Now 7 factorial is common. Now 7 factorial 8 minus 2 now is equal to 7 factorial into 6. Now 7 factorial value 5040 into 6 is equal to 30240. 30240. Therefore, total required arrangements, option 1 is the correct one, 30240.